What's up, guys? And hey, I got a special surprise for you. Boom! This studio is lit. You guys said in the comments you wanted better lighting. Hopefully this is better lighting. I'm not sure where to put this thing yet, so we'll figure it out. Hopefully it helps. All for you guys. I've noticed that I am over 500 subscribers now. Yeah, I might not seem all appreciative, but that really is a big deal to me. 500 people is a lot of people, and definitely something I'd never take for granted or something. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is, thanks guys, it's super awesome to have that many people support me. Let's keep growing, let's see how far this can go. Let's try to affect the minds of the future. Thanks so much for your continued support. It means a lot. Guys, I'm just gonna itch myself and talk. Did I say thank you already? Next topic. I saw this video recently, right? And it's just this kid, seems like a good kid and everything, probably great skateboarder, blah blah blah. He ended one of his videos by shotgunning a Red Bull in a Kmart. He used a deadly weapon to perform the puncture. He squirted Red Bull all over the place, and that's kind of a punk move, so I thought I would take it on myself to teach you guys how to properly shotgun a Red Bull in a Kmart. Lessons from Uncle Slink. First tip of properly shotgunning a beverage is to hold it, look at this, see the top? Boom. You want that facing down. You want to hold it at an angle, and you want to pop the hole while it's at an angle. See, that creates an air bubble. And if you're hardcore, you're going to pop it with your thumb, like a champion. Kind of scared me a little bit. And give yourself a decent hole. You see that? Didn't spill out everywhere. We got a wonderful hole. And next step, this is the hardest part. Actually, it's not. You're going to put it to your mouth, and then you're going to open it. And then you're going to drink. It's really that easy. And that's how to properly shotgun a Red Bull in a Kmart. Seriously, and I feel like I should probably tell you this, guys. You shouldn't be shotgunning energy drinks. I feel like that might be bad for your health. But if you are, there's how you do it properly without creating a mess. There's a fruit fly flying around my freaking camera. Thanks a lot, fruit fly. Anyway, guys, I got some skateboarding footage for you. Unfortunately, I didn't do anything really special for 500 subscribers. However, I do have a couple of skate sessions that I edited, and well, honestly, it's just a pretty average session. Check it out. Hope you enjoy it. sessions. Not sure what's up with my kickflips. I need to work on those. However, though, on the rail, I feel like I'm making little bits of progression. Want to learn a new trick on the rail, but I'm not sure which trick to go to. Maybe a lip slide, maybe a Smith or a feeble. I'm not really sure what the next logical step is. If you guys happen to know or could give me a suggestion on a grind I could learn, please, by all means, let me know in the comments. That'd be great. And yeah, bros and sisters, 500 subs. That's a lot, dude. That's crazy. Which brings me to my next point. See, I've noticed something about YouTube. The more YouTubers grow, the more it seems to bring out some of the negative aspects within them. Brings out their psychopathic nature, their sociopathic nature. Some people become more narcissistic, but you know what? People out there, not gonna happen to me. Why? Because my brain is so much bigger than most people on the internet. So I really don't think I'll be affected by any of those crazy things. Let's keep the channel growing. Thanks so much for stopping by. Means a lot. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this content. Let me know what you guys want to see. I know you guys want to see some street footage, and it's hard for me to work into my schedule, but I'm going to be trying. I try. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Anyway, y'all, I'll see you next time, and have a wonderful time. Have a wonderful time in your life. Bye.